Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold rise 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair gained 1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.4% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.9% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
London's blue-chip FTSE 100 hit a record high for the second session in a row as investors awaited Donald Trump's return to the White House for fresh insights on his stance on tariffs and international relations. The FTSE 100 index of top British firms ended up 0.2%. The price of Bitcoin surged by more than 6% in minutes to a new high ahead of Donald Trump's inauguration as President of the United States. Bitcoin briefly surged above $109,000, breaking its previous all-time high above $108,000 recorded on December 17, 2024. Oil prices settled lower after US President Donald Trump was sworn in for a second time and said he would immediately declare a national energy emergency, promising to fill up strategic reserves and export American energy all over the world.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey current situation at 10 GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey economic sentiment will be released at 10 GMT. The UK's claimant count rate at 7 GMT. The UK's average earnings excluding bonus at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.